After being hit with a series of deadly tornadoes over the weekend, Gordo is a community in Pickens County. It's about 23 miles outside of Tuscaloosa, Alabama. It's home of University of Alabama. It was hit with an EF2 tornado. Fox Weather's Katie Byrne was there. She's got the latest.
People in Gordo, Alabama are still in shock. The man who lives here, Ricky, wasn't home when the tornado moved through on Saturday. He thinks if he was, he wouldn't be here anymore. What you're looking at around us is his house flipped over onto its side by those strong winds. His washing machine, his dryer are under his floor. That's what's up there. This is his kitchen range, and then over there his bathtub dangling. His neighbor, Rodney, he says he was able to take cover with his wife and kids, his house untouched.
By the time they said go to your safe place, we had about probably 8 minutes. So I got my family in the safe room, and I got them all in there, and I opened the carport door, and I seen it, and I heard it. So run back in there and got in the safe room. About 30 seconds, it was gone. So we got out and looked out the door, and everything we had was gone, but except for our house.
Hallman, a farmer, lost his chicken houses and more. His livelihood gone. He says he'll rebuild here in Gordo, but it's going to take time. Thankfully, he's had a lot of help.
We're good. We got a lot of friends, and we'll build it back. The next day, I had 100 people show up over here. You don't know how many friends you got till something like this happens, but everybody's been real good to us.
As people like Ricky pile up everything they own to toss, they're trying to figure out where they're going to live. He says he's trying to work with FEMA to get an RV to stay in the short term. In Gordo, Alabama, Katie Byrne, Fox Weather.